I mean, I can cook, I can clean, Jamie cleans, but DIY, oh my God, no way. Ciao beautiful people, happy Monday. Hope you guys are all well. You're enjoying December. I can't believe we are almost halfway through the month. And Christmas is approaching really fast. Wow, wow, wow. December always fly for me every single year because working in retail every day merge into one. So you just blink and it's like Christmas Eve. So I had about 11 hours sleep and I'm so grateful for that. I came back home very late from work yesterday and I just slept and slept and slept and I was so tired. So woke up about 9 today, 8:45. Had a really nice coffee, had a really chilled morning, and I thought it's time to craft. And I'm so excited to do this video today because this video is in collaboration with Emily. Emily has got a YouTube channel and she's all over social media. It's called Junk Journals Inspiration. And Emily and I are part of a Tracie Fox design team. And this is one of the reasons why I joined several design teams, because you get to know other crafters, get to see their creation and, you know, have chats. And, you know, it's all about being a very nice, open, friendly community. And that's what I like about the, you know, having a YouTube channel, because you start to get to know other crafters. So me and Emily, I've contacted her. And I say, oh, Emily, please, let's do something together. So Emily picked the kit. It's Tracie Fox digital kit. Is called Eclectica. And I've not printed all the papers because there's a lot. This kit is huge. It's very, very good value for money. I only printed the papers that I wanted because I want to make some journal cards. Very, very super simple. Just a couple of layers. I just want to use as much scrap as possible because my scrap is getting bigger and bigger. And when you make journal cards, they are the good way to use up your scraps. So I'm going to show you very quickly the pages that I picked off the kit. So you've got these three that remind me of a what do you call them, like a research book. When you type, I can't explain myself. I'm still very tired. So in the morning and in the evening when it's very late, my English drops because I'm very tired. So my brain stops functioning. So yeah, so it's when you search for things, that's what I was trying to say. It reminds me like a culinary, is that the right word? When you look for foods, pretty much. Lovely pages. And then there is one page when it's got all these beautiful pages but shrunk in sizes, and I thought they will look really nice if you layer them and with other things. Beautiful envelopes and cards. You also get a page, and I shrunk them into two, with all ephemera, huge pages with again postcards and letters. So yeah, have a look. I put the link of Tracie's kit down below so you guys go and have a look. But I'm going to use all my scraps. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use all of these. And also when you do collage and do all your scraps, don't know why that's there, it's just so relaxing. I find the collaging is so relaxing. So I'm going to use all these papers and I'm going to use the kit as well. Okay guys, I won't do a process video because otherwise, you know, no 5 hours long. So I'll catch up with you guys when it's all done. I'll see you in just a second. Hello guys, I am back. Didn't take long, to be fair. Right, so let me show you what I've used on the as a background. I've got dots everywhere. I have used some of this paper. I'm trying to finish, right? I'm trying to finish some paper pads that I've got from the works. Sorry, I've got glued everywhere. And these sort of projects are ideal when to use up use up all the scraps and papers and stuff that you guys don't normally use as they are. And that is the reason why I have stopped buying paper pads and I only buy or work with digital kits, because the beauty of digital kits is that you just print the page that you want or the pages that you need. With paper pads, I don't know about you guys, but 99.99% of the times when I used to buy the paper pads from the Works or Hobby and Craft or branded, 5 times out of 6 there are some pages that I will never ever use, and this is like an example of that. Like, this paper is not something that I would personally use. This is my taste, don't get me wrong. People might absolutely adore those, which is totally fine, but for my taste and my like, this is something that I would never ever used. So I use this paper. This was a 12 by 12, so I cut it into 6 and then I have used 3, so you can still see that on the background, but because it's so settled with my project, you don't really see it. And to be fair, you've got some bits in there or some bits showing off here because it's so settled. I actually don't mind the contrast, but instead of using the full lot, hoping it makes sense. So let me show you. So 3 journal cards. I use some brads that part of my happy mail that I have received from the lovely Abigail from my Secret Santa, and I've used the brads from that. So if you're not watched the video going back for my Secret Santa video I shared last week, and I also used this tag because I wanted to be like a bit more interactive, and I just simply used Tracie's pages layer and made I used some of the Sudoku from my jelly print project I used last week. So guys, everything that we make, we have to use them. We don't hoard, we don't keep things because we like them, we got to use them. Yeah, so that's the motto for 2022, and I'm learning from that as well. I'm kind of like, as I tell you guys, I tell myself as well. And also found these on my table, which I have no clue where it's coming from. I think Jamie's dad needed it for something, or I think it's something to do with a cable. I can't remember. So me and Jamie are the all. We can do anything. I mean, I can cook, I can clean. Jamie cleans, but DIY, oh my god, no way. When we bought this house, the only thing we did ourselves was painting the walls. I mean, this house has been rewired, replastered. It's literally was a project, and that's why we loved it, because we made our own. So we put new boiler, new heating, new radiators, new flooring. Literally, we start from scratch. But this house is huge, we got it for a quite cheap money. So we started from scratch, and it's all finished. So it's really rewarding. But DIY, no way. We can probably, the stretch that we went is painting the walls. Anything else, no, we just simply can't, bless him. We can sometimes struggle to unscrew something, so we can make things look pretty, but not DIY. Thank you very much. Right, enough chatting. So yeah, I wanted something. So without this, it was quite plain. I thought you need something dramatic, and I like the black label there, so you need something black. I don't have any black cardstock, so I thought I need something black, and this came up, and I was like, use that. So I used that there. Tracie's elements, again, I used some on my scraps. I've got some really deep purple and yellow. I think as a contrast, I loved how those two colors combined. It got really strong contrast together. I love yellow, and this really kind of like lemony canary yellow, and this really deep intense pink, because it's not purple, it's more like a pink. And then the last is this one with a bit of pink subtle, which I think it links with the pink, which links with the pink on here. And I put some napkin there. I had a little piece of napkins for previous projects, and again a black belly, and then a little tag with the brads. And then the back, what I've done on the backs, literally guys, I just left it pretty simple, and then just use the rest of the pages just to cover them up. And I think they will look pretty quite pretty into your journals, or you can do greeting cards as well. If you put happy birthday, you can mount on it. You can do what you want. I do love my card making projects, but yeah, I thought this would look quite nice. Or even on the page, if you stick them down, you can use them as a pocket, because you can just stick down these sizes and then you get a pocket for your journal, a side pocket. You can trim this in a half and have a belly band, or a half like that, and then create like tucks. Guys, do what you pleased. All right, I am going, because yeah, well, I think we're over 10 minutes and I don't want to bother anybody else. Right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this very simple quick tutorial. Well, not tutorial, it's like a project share. Don't forget to go to Emily's channel and show some love and support. Emily's so talented. If you like journals, inspiration, that's she couldn't pick any better name. You find her channel being a lot of resources for that. And also, if you wish to purchase the Tracie's kit, I will put the link down below, so please show some love and support to independent designers. And you know, especially at Christmas time, it's nice if we spend not all the money in the high street, but it's always nice to support small businesses as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Give me a big thumbs up, and until next time, stay safe and well.